Hey y'all see my wig? Tell me I don't like it. She is by Pizazz Hair Shop, and she is a JJ burgundy color with a nice, beautiful deep curl wave. Oh my god, y'all, this hair is wonderful. So in my good bag, I got some stuff, some bands, some clips, some eyelashes. But y'all, in this pink bag is the creme de la creme. Look at the lace on her. Makes my mouth water. 2 clips, adjustable bands, and a clip in the back. And then that lace coverage area. Oh, part space. Can't tell me nothing. Oh yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this. Sit back, keep back, relax, grab yourself a drink, and let's do it. Instantly Showbiz Beauty.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe.
Yeah, I don't really care about your body type. What be the matter now your vibe? I be the one for you, one for you. Don't really have to be the one to go. Ain't nobody for
I'm in a big mood. Call I feel you. Something wake up cool in my body. Tell me what you do. I'm in a big mood.
My mind there for you. My heart beats for you. Every time when I think of you, I don't know.
When the beat drops, all the girls wanna sing along. Me, I go to give them the vibe till the kingdom come. I like the way I'm feeling now. No confuse your regrets, but my blues I'm written now. Oh, oh, oh. Better, bye. Better, better, bye. I'm loose. Even better done it. I be on no Zumba, by the way. I be on no Zumba, by the way. I be on no Zumba, by the way. I be on no Zumba.
Baby, follow my command, like zombie. Go down on me, oh, with your coca body. Follow my command, like zombie. Go down on me, oh, with your coca body. Cause this
Me, I just want to be high. Be high. Be high. Me, I just want to be
Holy Father, I'm screaming my Lady Gaga. She got me in my feelings. I be Adam. Father's got enough feeding. Holy Father, my Holy Father.